No one's home. The house is really quiet. It's really weird. But today I'm gonna work on scraping the basement, like the living room area. You haven't seen that part, but it's gonna be really loud. So it's good that no one's home. So I'm gonna do that, scrape, scrape. I'll show you this time. I'll get the noise because you guys, like, the noise is just on another level of loud. So I'm gonna do that today. And I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I'm not gonna sit on the couch all day and drink coffee. Would be productive. Because when you're at home, you should be productive and not binge watch Gilmore Girls and drink coffee. Well, I did that already this morning, so okay, it's time to get to work. Okay, I'll show you. Wish me luck. Okay, here it is. The basement. I got all of the walls ready, kind of, to be scraped. So I took down all of the naily nails art, moved all this stuff like away from the walls, like the piano and my sofa and stuff. So I took off the outlets. So now it begins. I think I'm gonna start with the stairs. The stairs look terrifying because it's really tall. And so I'm gonna like jerry rig something to like get all the way up top and hope I don't die. Because if I fall down the stairs, I don't have health insurance. And I just feel like it wouldn't turn out well for me. So, yeah. Pray for me. Thanks. Ugh. Stairs. And the pokiest walls of all time. Coming for you. Before I do the scraping, before I paint the ceiling, the only thing I have done is pull everything away from the walls and take nails out. Wish me luck. So I could hear my mother's voice in my head telling me to change my shirt because I was wearing like a cute shirt that was comfortable and it was Free People, so it was like obviously adorable. So I heard my mother's voice telling me to change my shirt before I started working on a project. Thanks, Mom. But I wanted to show you the terrible noise that my scraper is going to make. Because I feel like if I have to endure this, I also want you to suffer. Out of love. So, here it is. It's so aggressive. It's so aggressive and unnecessary. So aggressive and unnecessary. Much faster scraping this time. Much easier. So that's all done. And I did like the little patchy stuff where the holes were. Now I'm going to paint the ceiling. Na-na. It's really not that bad, but it makes a big difference when you live in a basement, when there's not a ton of light. And I feel like Rambo with my headband, or pirate. Kind of like it. Okay. Ceiling. Goal today, finish the ceiling tomorrow. Prime, paint the walls. Maybe prime the walls today. See how sassy I feel. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Life hack. The gyms are closed. Paint the ceiling and your arms will be awkwardly sore the next morning. I'm not proud of it. I know I don't have any upper body strength. Ruby can attest to that. But it's effective when I can't go to the gym. Shucks. I got the ceiling painted yesterday. Now I'm going to prime and paint. painting and ceiling made a big difference. I'm not sure if you can tell.